Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Exporting your bookmarks is useful if you are switching to another browser, reinstalling Windows, backing up your bookmarks, or moving them to a new computer. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox. Next, click on the application menu button in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, select bookmarks and then click manage bookmarks at the bottom. Alternatively, you can quickly open the library window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard. In the library window, click on the Import and Backup button on the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Export Bookmarks to HTML. Choose the folder where you want to save the file. Name the file and then click on the Save button. Firefox has now exported all your bookmarks to an HTML file. You can use this HTML file to import your bookmarks into Firefox again later or transfer them to other web browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, Opera or Vivaldi. Keep in mind that this HTML file contains only your bookmarks. It does not include your browsing history, saved passwords, cookies or other browser data. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Gear Up Windows channel for more Windows and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.